Hello, this is Keith All, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you yet another way on how you could create a border in Photoshop. This is actually part 5 in this series. So let's see how we could create a border in Photoshop. So if I go over here to my layer, which is just an image, I'm going to create a new layer. And I'm going to use the rectangular marquee tool. And I'm going to draw a rectangle around the entire canvas. And I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to use fill. And I'm just going to fill it with white. Keep everything else blend mode normal, opacity 100. So now I'm going to hit the Control D on here to deselect the selection. I'm going to go back over here to the rectangular marquee tool again, and I'm going to draw a second rectangle, or second selection basically, just slightly smaller than the canvas. So it appears that I'm creating like a border. You can eyeball on the size of the border that you want. Once you do that, hit your delete key, and now it deletes that section out of the layer. Hit Control D to deselect, and now you have this border. Now all you have to do is come over here to your layers panel, select overlay, and then double click on this layer to add a drop shadow. And these are the options that I selected. The blend mode is normal. Color is black for the drop shadow. The opacity is set at 75%. The angle is at 120. The distance is at 0. The spread is at 25. And the size is set at 50. So I'm just going to click OK. And this is how you could create a border in Photoshop. Just another way. So if you look at my previous tutorials in this series, you'll see many other ways on how you could create a border and have the same effect that we just created here. I want to thank you for stopping by today and supporting my channel. I appreciate it very much. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so you'll always get updated when I have a new tutorial ready to be viewed. And also, please like, share, and comment. Let's see how many likes and that we could get on this video. Again, thank you very much. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.